Okay, today we're going to look at screen capture software. It's very popular, and it's called Jing. It is by TechSmith. So to download it, what you want to do is you want to go to techsmith.com, go to their products, Jing, and free downloads. Now if you look here, you can see that it comes in both a Mac and a PC version. You can choose whichever one you want. Now I've already downloaded it to my machine, so I'm not going to go through that step. But again, techsmith.com, and you can download either version you want. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to actually use Jing to capture video from your desktop. So let's say you wanted to show a student how to do something in an Excel sheet, or you wanted to show them a web page, or you wanted to go through some photos and talk about them, and then they can play the video back. This is the type of software you could use. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. And I'm going to bring my capture window over here. And the thing with Jing is it's got a little bit of a different interface. So I've installed it and I've launched it, gone to my applications and run it. And if you notice, there's this little globe over here, a little quarter of a globe. When I get closer to it, it sort of flares out a little bit. That is Jing. It has three control areas. The first one is capture. Next one is history, and this is where it would show all the sort of jings or recordings you've made. And this one is more, it's your preferences and things like that. So we're going to go right ahead and just jump into capturing. Now, when you click on this, first actually let me call up a web page, and I'll call up a portion of their web page, TechSmith's. So if you notice too, even though I've covered over that, when I get close to the corner, it comes up on top. So when I click on this capture, what I'm going to get is crosshairs. And you actually you click and drag to select what we want to start recording or taking a still of. So I'm going to go ahead and click on capture. And if you notice, I've got these crosshairs right here. And now nothing's happening yet. But if all I have to do is, let's say I want to select, this area right here. If I click, I'm still holding down on the mouse and drag, so simple click and drag, and as you can see now it's sort of showing, it's brightening the area now that I'm going to record. Now if I let go, I get the controls for Jing. And if you notice, there is a capture an image, so you can actually capture this as just a still. So if you needed to do stills of your screens, you can use Jing. You can also capture a video. I'm a big proponent of using video in classes. I think it's very helpful to sort of see some things than it is just to sort of hear about them or read about them. So I encourage you to try using Jing to capture some video. So, or you can undo your selection or cancel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record some video. And I'm going to just click on that. And it's giving me a countdown telling me, all right, your mic is on. And we're recording. So this is kind of weird because it's a screen capture within a screen capture. But I am now using Jing to record my actions here. And you get 5 minutes, like most of these types of softwares. And now whatever I do here is being recorded, all these movements. And of course it's also recording my voice. So I would be talking about how, this is how you get to Jing. This is how you download it. And here it is. So I would be doing my little lecture. Then I can pause if I need to go someplace else or look something up. I can mute it in case I just don't want any outside voices or sounds going on. Or I can finish when I'm done. And I'm going to click finish. And it automatically shows you your Jing. And here it is, you can name. So I'm going to name this test 2, let's just say. And one of the key things that you'll do next is you'll share it. Share via screencast.com. Whenever you create a Jing, you share it via Screencast. Now that's another site or company that's owned by TechSmith, and it's where all your Jings sort of reside. It's your library of screen capture using Jing. So I'm going to click on that, and then in the next video we're going to see how to access that and then how to use the screencasts once you have them. And if you notice right up here, it's saying I'm uploading to Screencast.